Have you ever been in this situation? You have three different PDF files on your phone: a signed contract, an invoice, and a project receipt. You need to email all of them to your boss or a client, but you want to look professional and send them as one single, organized document, not three separate attachments that might get overlooked. You start looking for a solution, thinking you'll have to transfer everything to a computer, find some software, and waste valuable time on a task that feels like it should be simple. What if I told you that you don't need a computer at all? Your smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, has everything you need to combine those files seamlessly. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective methods for merging multiple PDF documents directly on your phone. We're going to cover both platforms, starting with a powerful built-in feature on the iPhone that many people don't even know exists. Then, we'll switch over to Android and explore how to accomplish the same task with a simple, free, and reliable application. We will begin with the iPhone, which has a fantastic and surprisingly hidden way to merge PDFs using the built-in Files app. Your first task is to make sure all the PDFs you want to combine are located within the Files app. If you've downloaded them from Safari or saved them from an email, this is likely where they ended up. I recommend creating a new folder and placing all the relevant PDFs inside it to keep things organized. But this isn't strictly necessary. Once you have your files ready in a single location inside the Files app, you will need to select them. To do this, I will tap the Select button in the top right corner of the screen. Now, I can tap on each PDF file I want to include in my final document. Make sure you tap them in the order you want them to appear in the merged file, as the iPhone will arrange them based on your selection order. After I have selected all my files, I will look at the bottom right corner of the screen. I will see a small circle with 3 dots inside it. I will tap on that icon. A menu will pop up with several options. I am looking for the one that says Create PDF. I will tap on it. Almost instantly, the Files app will take all the documents I selected and merge them into a single, new PDF file in that same folder. This new file will usually be named after the first file I selected. I can easily rename it by long pressing on the file and choosing Rename. From here, I can tap the Share icon again in the top right corner to save this newly created file back to my Files app, or send it directly via email or another app. Now, let's switch gears and focus on how to achieve the same result on an Android device. Android's operating system doesn't have a universal built-in PDF merging feature like iOS does, so we'll need a little help from a third-party application. There are two main ways to merge PDF files on Android: using an online tool or using a mobile PDF app. Online tools are services like I Love PDF and Small PDF, which are typically easy to use and don't require you to download any software. Mobile PDF apps, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, PDF Expert, and Foxit PDF Reader, often offer more features than online tools but may require a subscription. First, I will show you how to merge PDF files into one on mobile using an online tool. For this video, I am using a Google Pixel 7a with Android 14. This is the stock version of Android, but the steps should be the same no matter the phone. These online tools should also work on iPhones. I will open the browser and type Merge PDF in the address bar. I should see lots of sponsored results, but one site I recommend is ilovepdf.com. I will find this site and tap on the address. On the site, I will be able to select PDF files, so I will tap on the button Select PDF Files. I will select a PDF file. After this, I will tap again on the plus icon on the right and select another file. I can select as many as I want. After I select all the PDF files, I will have the possibility to drag and drop to reorder them. If I make a mistake in the order, I can simply rearrange the files at this stage. After I am pleased with the results, I will tap on Merge PDF. To download the file, I will tap on Download Merged PDF. This is the merged PDF file. I can usually find this file in the Downloads folder. Of course, I can tap on the three dots menu and send the file or download it to other parts of my phone. This is how you use an online tool to merge PDF files. You can use other tools, but this is one that I use. Next, I will demonstrate how to merge PDF files using a dedicated app. To install an app, I will need to go to an app store. If you have a Huawei phone, you know you cannot access the Play Store, so you need to use the Huawei App Store. To download and install an app for merging PDF files on my Android device, I will follow these steps. I will open the Google Play Store. I will search for Merge PDF, or I can also search for I Love PDF. I will tap on the I Love PDF app from the results. I will tap the Install button. Once the app is installed, I will tap the Open button. I will tap on Allow access to manage all files. You need to allow the app to access the files. I do not need to buy the premium version or try the 7-day free trial. Now I will tap on Tools. I will tap on Merge PDF. I will find the PDFs I want to merge. I will use the Downloads folder. I will select the files I want to add. I will tap Next. Now I can drag and drop the position of the files. I can move the files by dragging the icon from the right of the name of the file. I will tap Merge PDF. I will tap Go to File. This is the file that has been merged with all the files I selected. This is how you merge PDF files into one on mobile using an app. Once you've merged your PDF files, it's a good idea to review the merged PDF file to make sure that it's correct. You can do this by opening the merged PDF file in a PDF reader and scrolling through the pages. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel reach more people who could benefit from this information. For more tech tips and simple tutorials that make your life easier, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And now, I have a question for you. What is your biggest challenge when it comes to managing documents on your phone? Let me know in the comments section below and share your favorite app or method for handling PDFs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.